Keerla Sassam bamboo shoots Raita. This is a simple but very tasty dish using bamboo shoots. You can find the blog post of my friend and co-author Veena Malya in the description below. Here I have some brined bamboo shoots. I have given the video link for brining bamboo shoots too in the description below. Now I had taken a few pieces and soaked in water overnight to remove the extra saltiness. Now to rinse them and chop them into tiny pieces. We will deep fry this half cup of bamboo shoots till golden brown. Keep this aside.
सर्वांके केकेचे चॅनलांतून स्वागत. आता मी शे व्हिडिओज चड केल्या ना सर इंग्लिशांतूय आमगेले कोंकणी भाशेंतूय तिचणीचे मिरसाणीचे कुडसाणीचे रंदई अडकई हे सगळं व्हिडिओज तुम्ही एक व्यू करका आणि सर्वांके पामचे मोठे शेअर करका. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Take 3 green chilies, slit them and add a little hing. Now add a little oil and roast. Add these roasted chilies to half cup of grated coconut in a mixer jar. Grind this to a smooth paste. Now add half teaspoon mustard and grind coarsely again. Transfer the ground paste to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of curds and mix well. Now add the fried bamboo shoots and add salt only if needed. Enjoy this as a side dish with rice. Do not forget to like and subscribe.